Don't put it on social media.
I'm sending it on WhatsApp.
All people can do is get the phone on and record them. What the hell?
Eight people live here.
Just across the road. You see?
Yeah, this is it.
What is the video of it? You'll be able to see it.
Yeah, I've got like 15.
What is the video of it? Just across the road. Can't you see us?